Hi, my name is Alyssa Planas, and I am a MPH graduate student here at the University of Nevada, Reno. The three reasons why I love UNR is 1, the resources available on campus, 2, the overall environment and like the buildings and such, and then number 3, definitely the students and faculty. So for number 1, in regards to resources, I'm a big advocate for therapy and counseling. So our counseling services are what I needed as a student going through my programs as an undergraduate and now as a graduate student. They are able to focus on work-life school balance, the whole picture, and throughout my whole semesters of using the resource, it's been really helpful in my graduate career. And then in terms of the tutoring and writing center, those are very helpful in the fact that I constantly write research papers, and in terms of how I like to review my papers, it's very different than a different reader who doesn't know the topic. So they have been a great resource in reviewing my papers and making sure that it makes sense and that I can turn in a quality paper. And I like that I can always go in there from start to finish. So there are unlimited appointments basically. And then our student health center, of course, being not covered by certain insurances, it's a good student resource to have for the days that I am feeling sick and can't get into an appointment. And then in terms of the environment, I thoroughly enjoy my walks across campus. It's the brick buildings, the overall ambiance of the campus environment. I really feel like we hone in on the history of Reno. I'm born and raised here, and there's not much of us left, but walking through UNR, growing up with my parents to now as a graduate student has always been one of my favorite things. And then finally, the student faculty of UNR, specifically with my School of Public Health, they are passionate and driven individuals that really motivate me in my career path. These are people I will be working with, their peers, and I can feel that they truly want success for their students, and that has been a true force into my graduation pathway. And I am very thankful for the group of friends that I was able to make over my years here at UNR, because these friendships are lifelong. And then in terms of my faculty and staff, these are references that I get to keep along with me as I pursue future careers, and that is so beneficial. And I know that down the line I can reflect back on my time at UNR and think about how this was my starting point.